Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can change the front indicator light bulb on Nissan Xtrail. To change the front light bulb, it's really simple. You do not need any screwdrivers or any other tool. I will let you know how we can do that. First, let's open the bonnet. And now, as you can see, that's the location of your indicator, front indicator, and that's the bulb over there. You just have to twist it and pull it backwards like this, and you can see the bulb now. And to take out the bulb, you have to just hold the bulb and pull it out, and that's how you can take the bulb out as well. Then you can get the new bulb and just push it back to the socket. That's it. And once it's firmly placed, you can push it back to its original location and twist it, and that's how you can change the front indicator bulb on Nissan Xtrail. You can check it up if it's lighting or not. It's perfectly working fine. That's all. Thank you.